Your air conditioner is basically stealing heat from inside your house and throwing it outside. The magic happens with a special liquid called refrigerant that constantly changes from gas to liquid. The compressor squeezes the gas, making it super hot, then the condenser cools it back to liquid. This liquid flows through an expansion valve, becoming ice cold, and in the evaporator, it absorbs heat from your room air. The whole cycle repeats non-stop, literally moving heat from inside to outside until your thermostat says, "Stop."